Hey my good friend, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. We're on the floor here at the Ford booth at the SEMA Show, and we're doing a lot of Maverick content this year because it's a hot new truck and a lot of people are curious about what's going on with accessories. And so we're gonna have a quick look really quick at a lot of the Ford accessories, the stuff that's in their catalog, but they have a display here where we can see it up close. First up here on the display is the in-vehicle console vault that you can see on the website. And up close you can see that this thing actually is a sleeve that just reaches down into that console and bolts in. It has a combination lock right here on it. Made of sheet metal steel with a crinkle cut finish. It's not exactly like a super safe, but it is something that would cause somebody to have to really break your vehicle apart to get out whatever's in it. I think that's pretty interesting little device there. Coming down here, the off-road underbody rock light kit by Rigid, and you can see that that comes with plenty of wiring to do your install. These are the splash guards that a lot of people have been ordering, and you can see that these things are designed and molded to fit around the fender, and they have the holes in here for the installation. Pretty nice sort of a rubbery flexible plastic. And then coming over here, this is the spoiler by Air Design for the rear of the cab. That's got a little bit of a lip there, and as you can see, an indentation for the third brake light. And down below that, this is the hood protector by Aeroskin, made of clear plastic. Nice smoked plastic. It's got a Ford logo on it. And this is another item that's been getting a lot of conversation out there. This is the pivoting storage box for the bed. Comes in left or right hand sides, and it's lockable, as you can see. It twists open, but they've got it locked here. But it has a metal bracket right here that gives it the swivel, and you've got this down here. So that's actually a pretty robust piece, I think. And this is another item that's been getting some attention. This is the black satin tailgate spoiler by Air Design. Adds a little bit of an extra lip to the back. Kind of a nice look. And below that is also the back panel that you can get that sort of dresses it up. It gives it a bit of a Raptor look. And then below that, even some more, these are the stainless steel lettering set. Now this comes in a couple of different finishes. This actually is just the bare stainless steel. There's not a lot of photos out there of the drop-in bed liners for the Maverick, but they've actually got plastic models here that sort of replicate what that might look like. Just looking at these are just kind of generic looking models. And the same can be said for the hard roll-up tonneau cover by Rev. This is just sort of a scaled down example of what that construction looks like. And here is the tailgate assist kit right here, unwrapped from the DZ packaging. Now this is one that you can order from the factory or get it at your dealer. This is the tailgate extender by Lund. It is actually made of some pretty rugged metal. It's got plastic pieces that hold it together here and the straps. That is actually a pretty substantial piece. All right, my friends, there you go for an up-close look. Just a real quick one of some of the Ford accessories that you might have seen online but couldn't really get an up-close look at them. And we've also got some show trucks that display some of these that we're showing here on our content this year. You can see that on our playlist right there. And better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel right down below that with the round logo. Either way, stay tuned.